The best prostate cure in the world. This is the best. One of the biggest health problems men have is the prostate. They can be of different nature, strength and form. Almost every 2 men over the age of 45 have already had a prostate. Recently, the age barrier of this problem has begun to fall. There are not many natural remedies for this problem. The most widespread is the use of cranberry juice and tea and pumpkin seed oil. Today I will show you the most powerful weapon naturally available to fight with all the diseases on the prostate list. It is an herb called small flower hairy willow grass or Epilobium parviflorum, or simply willow. You can find this plant most of the herbal shops or even in the markets of all countries in southeastern Europe. The plant has been known for several hundred years, but over time under the influence of medicine slowly has forgotten its power. The plant is again in the headlines thanks to Maria Trebin, whose books have sold more than 10 million copies. She has personally helped thousands of people with prostate problems, only with this modest plant. There are many types of willow that can help with prostate problems. Pink willow, mountain willow, Epilobium montanum, dark green willow, Epilobium obscurum, willow hill, Epilobium calinum, alpine willow, Epilobium anugalidifolium, and wetlands and gravel willow. Instructions. 1. Put 2 tablespoons of willow, either fresh or dried, into 2 boiling water. Let stand for 5-10 minutes. Remove the plant and drink the tea. Tea should be drunk twice a day. 2. Once in the morning on an empty stomach and at night before going to bed. The first results can be expected fairly quickly. This tea can be used for all prostate problems and gives excellent results. Maria Trebin has successfully treated inflammation of the prostate and bladder, problems urinating, bleeding while urinating, discomfort and pain in the prostate and bladder